No, I got a kink in my swing.
Oh.
My tail! Where's my tail?
Someone need a hand?
Oh, where's my nose?
Here it is.
Here's your arm.
Give me that. That's
Honey,
mine.
the mustache?
I don't recall playtime being quite that strenuous.
Andy never played with us like that.
We're just gonna have to make the best of it.
But these toddlers, they don't know how to play with us. They're too young.
Yeah, they're sticky.
Well, we should be in the butterfly room.
With the big kid.
That's
Yeah,
right.
you said it.
We'll get this straightened out. I'll go talk to Lotso about moving us to the other room.
Blast.
Try that one.
It's locked.
Same here.
Try the windows.
Negatory. It's a Fenster Schneckler 380. Finest child-proof lock in the world.
We're trapped.
Wait! Did anyone notice the transom?
Oh, great. How do we get up there?
All right, everyone. On three. 1, 2...
3!
Whoa!
Let go! Oh, way to go, Buzz!
You think they had a fun playtime?
They might hear you. Okay, now you start.
I?
Love.
You. Oh.
See? That time I said love. Okay, now me first.
Okay. Love?
You. You see what I mean? It changes every time.
You are so smart.
Come on, Romeo. We're late.
All right, place your bets. Come on, everybody. Come on.
bring it
Any
in.
splits? Here we go. Come on, horsey. Come on, horsey. Come on. Come on, horsey. All right, that's it. No more bets.
Come on, right here.
Let me have a duck. Let me have a duck.
Well, stretch takes the round. You lost. Okay, minimum bet 5 Monopoly. Coyotes Wild.
here,
Change it 2 double A's. Hey, what do you guys think of the new recruits? Any keepers?
Oh, please. Landfill.
Cowgirl? Dinosaur?
Toddler fodder.
But that space guy, he could be useful.
He ain't the sharpest knife in the places where they keep the knives.
Neither are you, chunk.
You got a little keeper yourself, didn't you, Cat?
Hey, lay off, Twitch. Barbie's different.
Oh, Mr. Softy over here.
What do you expect from a girl's toy?
I'm not a girl's toy. I'm not. Why do you guys keep saying that?
All them toys are disposable. We'll be lucky if they last us a week.
Well. Looky who we have here.
Let me go!
Take him to the library.
Sycamore. Psst. Woody, what are you doing? I gotta get out of here.
You're leaving?
But
Didn't you have fun today?
Oh, of course I did. More than I've had in years. But you see, I belong to someone else.
Who's Yidna?
I believe it's pronounced Yidney.
Guys, it says Andy.
He's my Bonnie. And he's leaving soon. I gotta get home.
Where's home?
Elm Street, 234 Elm. You guys have a map?
We're on it, cowboy. Trixie?
I'll fire up the computer.